Hey, good morning and welcome to SAR Trail. This is Natalie, I'm Jeff. We are up on Imogene Pass just outside of Telluride, Colorado, over 11,000 feet, and we are having a super good time overlanding, camping out here. And this morning we're making pancakes on the Skottle, and we are using einkorn flour. We don't use the processed flours or anything like that, but you can use whatever flour you want. We're going to show you how you make awesome pancakes right on your campsite with the Skottle, one of our favorite camp cooking products. So what do we got going first, baby?
Okay, so I already mixed up all the dry ingredients for our pancakes. So just flour, salt, baking powder. And we kind of decided this morning that we wanted to make some cinnamon pancakes. So I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon to the dry ingredients.
Yep. Cinnamon always makes things better.
And then I'm going to add 2 eggs and then a cup of milk.
Before you dump that in there, so when we camp, this is how we store eggs. We don't bring the egg shells, the egg in the shell. We don't bring the whole egg. Thank you. I don't even know what it's called. So Natalie, what she does is she breaks them all and then puts them in a mason jar, a glass jar, depending on how many we need based upon what our cooking requirements are. But it's a good way to store them, and you don't worry about them breaking so easily. And then also you can see they pour in separately. If you only need 3, you can pour out 3 or 2, whatever it might be. As long as you keep them separated as you crack one at a time and drop them in your mason jar.
Okay, now I'm going to add the milk. Okay, and just give it a stir.
We don't have a pot with us this time or a mixing bowl with us this time. We kind of forgot a couple things. We were in a hurry and we've been doing so much camping lately that the planning from one weekend to the next, or from a Friday to a Thursday, whatever it might be, has kind of left us a little behind on some of the utensils or kitchen things that we normally bring, but Natalie's making do with a bag here. Get it mixed up.
Okay, so that's mixed up. Remember, you never want to over mix pancake batter, it will get tough. So now I'm going to light the Skottle and get some butter on it and get these cooking. Okay, so I've got some butter melted. And now I'm just going to start putting down pancake batter. I'm going to try to get a couple on here. You know, the hotter point of this is definitely in the center, but you can still cook on the outside. And what I'm going to do to kind of keep them warm is, as they're done, I'm going to put them along the edges of this. And that'll keep them warm until they're all done.
So while Natalie's back there getting the pancakes going, wanted to kind of show you up where we are camping at. It's an incredible site. This is an old mining town. I think it's Tomboy. Either way, it's on Imogene Pass. It's an old mining town. This is the Savage Camp Base, which I get why they say it's Savage Camp Base. This used to be a huge mining town with a school, a general store, a restaurant, medical facilities, and lots of housing for all the people that worked this mine back in the late 1800s. Now all the buildings have fallen down. It's nothing like it used to be, but an incredible place. And they called it Savage Base Camp because the conditions up here were absolutely savage. I don't know if you can see on the mountain peaks, there's glacier up there above us, some hard packed snow still that hasn't melted off. And this is almost Labor Day. So we are really close to Labor Day, and this pass just opened up a couple weeks ago because there was too much snow up higher elevations, which we're going to see later today. But wanted to show you around the campsite. But now let's get back to making breakfast.
All morning.
All right, so what we're doing is we're going to use the hot point of the Skottle and do pancakes one at a time. We got a little bit of a breeze here, so the heat on the Skottle gets moved a little bit off from the one side where the wind is coming. But do one at a time, get them ready, flip them, stack them to the side so they'll stay nice and warm, and we will be good to go.
some more. You just keep going until you're done adding all your batter, a little bit at a time. You want to make sure that it's not too hot on the Skottle. I've got this one turned way down, almost as low as it'll go. And that way you don't burn your pancakes on the outside before they're done on the inside.
Yeah, and you can see here the Timbo-Tuss Skottle has a temperature control. It just controls your gas flow. And then you can control how much heat you really want. We got this one down really low right now. You just see that flame right there. Different things you'll cook at different temperatures. Those are looking good, baby. One thing that all mining communities have is water. You gotta have water when you're mining. So that's one of the reasons we picked this spot. We're right here next to this stream. And this is just snow melt off. Way over there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's glacier and hard packed snow. And this is just the result of their melt off. And we just camped right by it. Just wanted to show you that while Natalie's still making the pancakes, getting those things going. Those are looking good, baby.
Thank you.
Yeah, we got batter to make some more. We're looking really good.
Yeah.
So you can see what Natalie's doing is just stacking all those to the side, cooking right down in the center.
Yeah, just keeping everything very warm.
Yeah, if you're in a place where it's not breezy at all, you could cook in multiple sites on the Skottle doing pancakes. However, since there's a little bit of a breeze, we want to just cook right over that flame. It will be a lot faster doing it this way, one at a time, than having to wait on them doing multiples. All right, so the last pancake is on, getting cooked. The rest of them are ready. That is plenty pancakes for 4 people, especially since one of them might not even have any. So there we go. Those are looking really good, baby. All right, pancakes are ready. Let's get you yours, Bailey. Should get 2 of them. 3. Awesome. All right, baby, let's get you some syrup and get you set up.
Okay.
You hungry?
Yes.
2. You ready? Got your fork? Let's go get you set up. There you go, baby.
Thank you.
All right, camp pancakes on the Timbo-Tuss Skottle. These things are really, really good. Soft in the middle, crusty on the outside, just a little crispy, and then all natural maple syrup. Oh, you gotta try some. These are good, baby. A little bit of syrup. I know you don't eat too much syrup, but they're good. Crisp and light. Really, really good. Thanks for checking out Sour Trail. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you could, and hit that little bell in the bottom right corner, and then you'll be notified of all of our family-friendly camping and adventure videos. Content comes out every Saturday and every Wednesday. Of course, unless we're out in the middle of nowhere and we just gotta wait a couple days. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy your breakfast, and let us know if there's something you'd like to do on a Timbo-Tuss Skottle or some camp cooking video you'd like us to do. We will put it on our list for our next trip. Thanks a lot.